Shwmae a chroeso to video drill of MYNEDIAD 1's Uned 10. That's entry level 1, Unit 10. I'm sure, as your tutor's already told you, please edrychwch ar y geirfa am yr uned yma. Please have a look for the vocabulary for this unit before doing the drill. If you haven't already, peidiwch a becso, don't worry. Yeah, and as per usual, please peidiwch ag edrych yn eich llyfrau. Please don't look in your books or your digital copies as we're doing the drill. Yeah, just gwrandewch ac ailadroddwch. Gwrandewch, listen, ac ailadroddwch, and repeat. Yeah. Nawr te, yn y fideo yma, in this video, uned 10, dyn ni'n mynd i ddysgu, we're going to learn the past tense of to go. So to go is mynd. And this is an irregular verb and it follows the same patterns as gwneud and cael, which you've already done. Yeah? Felly, let's get started. Yeah? Felly, drill 1, we're looking at I went. Es I, yeah? Es I. I went. Es I. Felly, beth yw work yn Gymraeg? The work, yeah, there's a noun. Gwaith. To work is gweithio, but gwaith, just work, is gwaith, yeah? Es I i'r gwaith o. I went to work yesterday. Es I i'r gwaith o. Es I i'r gwaith o. Es I i'r gwaith o. I went to work yesterday. Es I i'r gwaith o. Da iawn. Es I i'r gwaith o. So the second E is for the to. So es I went. Ir, to the work. Ddo, ddoi wrth gwrs, potato, dim ots, yeah? Es I i'r gwaith o. Gwych, beth yw cinema yn Gymraeg? Cinema yw cinema wrth gwrs, iawn, cinema. Es I i'r cinema ddo. Es I i'r cinema ddo. I went to the cinema yesterday. Es I i'r cinema ddo. Es I i'r cinema ddo. Es I i'r cinema ddo. I went to the cinema yesterday. Es I i'r cinema ddo. Da iawn. Es I i'r cinema ddo. Da iawn. Nawr, beth yw game yn Gymraeg? Game yw game, wrth gwrs. Game, iawn? Es I i'r game neithiwr. Es I i'r game neithiwr. I went to the game last night. Es I i'r game neithiwr. Es I i'r game neithiwr. Es I i'r game neithiwr. I went to the game last night. Es I i'r game neithiwr. Da iawn. Es I i'r game neithiwr. Da iawn. Beth yw class? Dosbarth. Da iawn, dosbarth. Es I i'r dosbarth neithiwr. Es I i'r dosbarth neithiwr. I went to the class last night. Es I i'r dosbarth neithiwr. Es I i'r dosbarth neithiwr. Es I i'r dosbarth neithiwr. I went to class last night. Es I i'r dosbarth neithiwr. Da iawn. Es I i'r dosbarth neithiwr. Da iawn. Es I i'r dosbarth neithiwr. Gwych. Da iawn. So that's saying I went. Es I. Iawn. So o ran nesaf, this next part, iawn, ran 2, we're asking where did you go? Where did you go, iawn? So you went is es ti, es ti. So to say, where did you go? Ble es ti? Ble es ti? So it's es I, es ti. Es I, es ti. Ble es ti? Where did you go? Ble es ti? Yeah? So, ble es ti ddo? Ble es ti ddo? Where did you go yesterday? Ble es ti ddo? Ble es ti ddo? Ble es ti ddo? Where did you go yesterday? Ble es ti ddo? Da iawn. Ble es ti ddo? Da iawn. Nesaf. Ble es ti neithiwr? Ble es ti neithiwr? Where did you go last night? Ble es ti neithiwr? Ble es ti neithiwr? Ble es ti neithiwr? Where did you go last night? Ble es ti neithiwr? Da iawn. Ble es ti neithiwr? Gwych. Da iawn. So we've done the question, es ti. Yeah, ble es ti? Where did you go? Yeah. So now we're going to be using es ti at the beginning to ask a question. So es ti. Yeah. So es ti is you went. Es ti is did you go? Yeah. So just change the tone of our voices. So we're looking at es ti. So that's a singular, informal, and also eithoch chi. Eithoch chi, that chi there is the plural. Iawn, neu ffurfiol, formal. Yeah? So gwrandewch ac ail adroddwch. Yeah? Beth yw shopping yn Gymraeg? To shop. Siopa. Siopa. Es ti siopa ddo? Es ti siopa ddo? Did you go shopping yesterday? Es ti siopa ddo? Es ti siopa ddo? Es ti siopa ddo? Did you go shopping yesterday? Es ti siopa ddo? Da iawn. Es ti siopa ddo? Da iawn. Beth yw to swim? Nofio. 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 Es ti nofio ddo? Es ti nofio ddo? Did you go swimming yesterday? Es ti nofio ddo? Es ti nofio ddo? Es ti nofio ddo? Did you go swimming yesterday? Es ti nofio ddo? Da iawn. Es ti I nofio ddo? Sorry, es ti I nofio ddo? Es ti I nofio ddo? Yeah? So that's the es ti. Yeah? So beth dyn ni'n neud nawr, what we're going to do now is change the ti to the chi. Yeah? So it's eithoch chi, eithoch chi. Eithoch chi I nofio ddo? Eithoch chi I nofio ddo? Did you go swimming yesterday? Eithoch chi I nofio ddo? Eithoch chi I nofio ddo? Eithoch chi I nofio ddo? Did you go swimming yesterday? Eithoch chi I nofio ddo? Da iawn. Eithoch chi I nofio ddo? Da iawn. Beth yw to see a film? To see is gweld, a ffilm yw ffilm, iawn? So gweld ffilm, gweld ffilm, gweld ffilm. Eithoch chi I weld ffilm ddo? Eithoch chi I weld ffilm ddo? Did you go to see a film yesterday? Eithoch chi I weld ffilm ddo? Eithoch chi I weld ffilm ddo? Eithoch chi I weld ffilm ddo? Did you go to see a film yesterday? Eithoch chi I weld ffilm ddo? Da iawn, eithoch chi I weld ffilm ddo? Hapus? Da iawn. So gyda cwestiynau, with questions starting with the past tense, so es ti or eithoch chi, yeah, and we use the same types of yeses as nos I bawb, for everyone. So as long as it's in the past tense, we use the same yes and no's. Sy'n wych, which is great. Yeah? Felly, beth yw, can you name me a bird that has been extinct? A dodo. A dodo. So think dodo, bird in the past tense, do, yes I did, iawn. Dodo, do, yes I did. So eithaf chi I weld ffilm ddo? Do, yes I did, do. Da iawn. Do. So the opposite of do yw naddo. Naddo. Da iawn. Naddo. Hapus? So cofiwch, remember, it's always do and naddo. It doesn't matter who you're talking about, yeah? So cofiwch hwnna. It's going to come up again. Right. Drill 2 nesaf. Drill 2. So we've done talking about ourselves. We've said AC, I went, AC. Est, you went. And eithaf chi, you went formal or plural. Nawr, dyn ni'n siarad am fe a hi. We're talking about him and her. So where he went and where she went. Aeth or aeth he, or aeth Kerry, yeah? So aeth Kerry I, they went to. So that I is their to, yeah? Beth yw town yn Gymraeg? Dre. Aeth Kerry i'r dre. Kerry went to town. Aeth Kerry i'r dre. Aeth Kerry i'r dre. Aeth Kerry i'r dre. Kerry went to town. Aeth Kerry i'r dre. Da iawn. Aeth Kerry i'r dre. Gwych. A beth yw a shop? Shop yw shop. Iawn. Aeth Eryl i'r shop. Aeth Eryl i'r shop. Eryl went to the shop. Aeth Eryl i'r shop. Aeth Eryl i'r shop. Aeth Eryl i'r shop. Eryl went to the shop. Aeth Eryl i'r shop. Down. Aeth Eryl i'r shop. Iawn, beth yw class? Dosbarth. Aeth i'r dosbarth. Aeth i'r dosbarth. He went to the class. Aeth i'r dosbarth. Aeth i'r dosbarth. Aeth i'r dosbarth. He went to the class. Aeth i'r dosbarth. Da iawn. Aeth i'r dosbarth. Gwych. A beth yw game? Game yw game, wrth gwrs. Aeth hi i'r game. Aeth hi i'r game. She went to the game. Aeth hi i'r game. Aeth hi i'r game. Aeth hi i'r game. She went to the game. Aeth hi i'r game. Da iawn, aeth hi i'r game. So dwi'n dweud aeth fan hyn. You may also hear ath. Iawn, mae llawer o bobl, dwi'n dweud ath weithiau. I also say ath. Iawn, so that A and E goes to a long A sometimes, ath. Like llath, milk. Iawn, llath, ath. It's the same concept. Okay? Iawn te. Felly da iawn. So we've said he or she went. Iawn, to somewhere. Iawn. So nawr, dyn ni'n gofyn cwestiwn. So did Kerry go? Aeth Kerry. So aeth Kerry, Kerry went. Aeth Kerry, did Kerry go? So we literally just changed the tone of our voice, yeah? Felly, beth yw chapel yn Gymraeg? Capel. Aeth Kerry i'r capel. Did Kerry go to chapel? Aeth Kerry i'r capel. Aeth Kerry i'r capel. Aeth Kerry i'r capel. Did Kerry go to chapel? Aeth Kerry i'r capel? Da iawn. Aeth Kerry i'r capel? Da iawn. Nawr te, beth yw church yn Gymraeg? Eglwys. 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 Aeth Eryl i'r eglwys? Aeth Eryl i'r eglwys? Did Eryl go to the church? Aeth Eryl i'r eglwys? Aeth Eryl i'r eglwys? Aeth Eryl i'r eglwys? Did Eryl go to the church? Aeth Eryl i'r eglwys? Da iawn. Aeth Eryl i'r eglwys? Da iawn. A mosg yn Gymraeg? Mosg yw mosg. Ia? Aeth e i'r mosg? Aeth e i'r mosg? Did he go to the mosque? Aeth e i'r mosg? Aeth e i'r mosg? Aeth e i'r mosg? Did he go to the mosque? Aeth e i'r mosg? Da iawn. Aeth e i'r mosg? Oh, sorry, mae'r cwestiwn. Yeah, so did he go to the mosque? Iawn, a beth yw hall yn Gymraeg, like a town hall, or any hall? Neuadd. 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 Aeth hi i'r neuadd? Aeth hi i'r neuadd? Did she go to the hall? Aeth hi i'r neuadd? Aeth hi i'r neuadd? Aeth hi i'r neuadd? Did she go to the hall? Aeth hi i'r neuadd? Da iawn. Aeth hi i'r neuadd? Da iawn. Felly, cofiwch, although they didn't have questions on the screen, iawn, they were questions, iawn. Felly, so if I was to ask you, aeth hi i'r neuadd? Did she go to the hall? And she did. Remember, past tense, think of the bird. Do. 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 And the opposite of do yw naddo. 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 Iawn? Da iawn chi. Gwych. Da iawn. Felly, dyn ni wedi wneud, we've done, es I, I went. Es ti, you went. Aethoch chi, you went. Aeth e, and aeth hi. And questions as well. Yeah? Felly nesaf, dyn ni wneud we went to. We went to, yeah? So we went to is aethon ni I. So aethon ni I. Aethon ni I. So that's easier too, yeah? Beth yw to shop? Shopper. Shopper, yeah? Aethon ni I shopper. Aethon ni I shopper. We went shopping, yeah? Aethon ni I shopper ddo. Aethon ni I shopper ddo. We went shopping yesterday. Aethon ni I shopper ddo. Aethon ni I shopper ddo. Aethon ni I shopper ddo. We went shopping yesterday. Aethon ni I shopper ddo. Da iawn. Aethon ni I shopper ddo. Gwych. So aethon ni, you could also say it as aethon ni I shopper ddo o ddau. Yeah? Beth yw to walk? Cerdded. 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 Aethon ni I gerdded ddo. Aethon ni I gerdded ddo. We went walking yesterday. Aethon ni I gerdded ddo. Aethon ni I gerdded ddo. Aethon ni I gerdded ddo. We went walking yesterday. Aethon ni I gerdded ddo. Da iawn. Aethon ni I gerdded ddo. Da iawn. Nawr beth yw to buy? Prynu. 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 Aethon ni I brynu car ddo. Aethon ni I brynu car ddo. We went to buy a car yesterday. Aethon ni I brynu car ddo. Aethon ni I brynu car ddo. Aethon ni I brynu car ddo. We went to buy a car yesterday. Aethon ni I brynu car ddo. Da iawn. Aethon ni I brynu car ddo. Da iawn. Nesaf, to see. Gweld. Iawn, like we said, gweld ffilm, gweld ffilm. Aethon ni I weld ffilm neithiwr. Aethon ni I weld ffilm neithiwr. We went to see a film last night. Aethon ni I weld ffilm neithiwr. Aethon ni I weld ffilm neithiwr. Aethon ni I weld ffilm neithiwr. We went to see a film last night. Aethon ni I weld ffilm neithiwr. Da iawn. Aethon ni I weld ffilm neithiwr. Da iawn. Da iawn chi. Da iawn. Felly, dyn ni wedi gwneud llawer, un arall, un drill arall, one more drill, iawn. So we've done statements and questions. One thing that dyn ni ddim wedi wneud, dyn ni ddim wedi, we haven't done any negative sentences, iawn. So we're going to finish by saying what I didn't do or what we didn't do, iawn. So es I ddim, aethon nhw ddim. Iawn, they didn't do, sorry, aethon nhw ddim. Iawn, so aethon nhw, they went. Aethon nhw ddim, they didn't go. Es I went. Es I ddim, I didn't go. Hapus? Iawn. Es I ddim mas ddo. Es I ddim mas ddo. Es I ddim mas ddo. I didn't go out yesterday. Es I ddim mas ddo. Es I ddim mas ddo. Es I ddim mas ddo. I didn't go out yesterday. Es I ddim mas ddo. Da iawn. Es I ddim mas ddo. Da iawn. Nawr, aethon nhw ddim mas ddo. Aethon nhw ddim mas ddo. They didn't go out yesterday. Aethon nhw ddim mas ddo. Aethon nhw ddim mas ddo. Aethon nhw ddim mas ddo. They didn't go out yesterday. Aethon nhw ddim mas ddo. Da iawn. Aethon nhw ddim mas ddo. Da iawn. Aethon nhw ddim mas neithiwr. Aethon nhw ddim mas neithiwr. They didn't go out last night. Aethon nhw ddim mas neithiwr. Aethon nhw ddim mas neithiwr. Aethon nhw ddim mas neithiwr. They didn't go out last night. Aethon nhw ddim mas neithiwr. Da iawn. Aethon nhw ddim mas neithiwr. Da iawn. Ac yn olaf, aethon nhw ddim mas o gwbl. Aethon nhw ddim mas o gwbl. Aethon nhw ddim mas o gwbl. They didn't go out at all. Aethon nhw ddim mas o gwbl. Aethon nhw ddim mas o gwbl. Aethon nhw ddim mas o gwbl. They didn't go out at all. Aethon nhw ddim mas o gwbl. Da iawn. Aethon nhw ddim mas o gwbl. Gwych. Da iawn chi. Da iawn, da iawn. Am orffen, well done for finishing the drills for Uned 10. Gwych. You can now use to go in the past tense, saying I went, you went, aethoch chi, iawn, es ti, aeth aeth hi, aethon ni, aethon nhw. You can do all of them. Da iawn chi. You can say many things like, I went to the Welsh class last night. es i i'r dosbarth Cymraeg neithiwr. Iawn. I hope this has prepared you for your next online lesson. If you have any questions, please remember to ask your tutor. And gobeithio gwelwn ni chi yn y drill nesaf. Hope to see you in the next drill. In the meantime, please feel free to use the online resources for this unit. Yeah? Pob hwyl!